Hi, my name is Matthew. I'm with Air Tech of Conroe, and this is Tech Tip Tuesday. Today we're going to be going over two different motors right here. One motor, this motor is working properly, and the second motor is not working properly. This is a failed motor. So I'll be showing you the difference. As you notice, when you turn this shaft here, you'll notice that it's spinning freely with absolutely no force at all, and if you'll notice, it comes to a coasting stop. Now the second motor, this is going to take, as you can see, a little bit more force, and then it comes to a complete stop. The other thing is if you get closer, you'll notice there's a lot of oil residue around this motor as well. Now this motor right here is showing that basically the inside has failed. The bearings are no longer lubricated, leaking oil. What this is causing friction, which in turn causes the motor to overheat and draw extra amperage. Now, again, two different motors. This one's working perfectly. Now this one may or may not have been working when it was pulled out, but it is definitely going to fail eventually. And these are all the signs of a failed motor. Thanks again for watching. This is Matthew again with Air Tech of Conroe for Tech Tip Tuesday.